Hello everyone, welcome on Keyapp YouTube channel, and we continue the discussion of our brand new platform, and today we are going to talk about one more service that we have and that will help you to work with Android application promotion, and particularly we are going to discuss CPI campaigns. So let's start. So as you could already get, today we are talking about CPI campaigns, and first of all it is needed to discuss why it is important to combine CPA and keyword promotion. First of all, if you worked previously with Google Play, like with App Store optimization or with keyword promotion, you could notice that their algorithm pays a lot of attention to application metrics, and that's why it is important to work not only with keyword promotion but with some additional sources of traffic as well, as they like when the application has in-app activities, some active users, and good metrics in general. So first of all, we recommend to use CPI campaigns for new applications that do not have any active users and that have to generate in-app activity, so to show Google algorithm that first of all they need to get into the index for the keywords, and that's one more reason to use CPI campaigns. In most cases they help to get into the index for the keywords, so for you to be able to start keywords promotion and to increase the positions to get organic traffic. Also, you can use CPI campaign just in the cases even when your application is already published long time ago, but you would like to increase the number of active users and get some additional traffic. It is usually recommended for Google Play. So as you may know, to order any service at our new platform, it is needed to go to a section called Add Campaign and then already choose the service you would like to work with, and in our today's case, it is advertising campaign. So advertising campaign, as you may understand, it is traffic from the ads, and that's why it is recommended to use CPI campaigns, as only interested users will install your application and you pay only per installation, not per impression, for example. So here we may see the typical section where you choose the store, and the CPI campaigns are actually available only for Google Play, and then you choose the application you would like to work with. The only difference is that here you do not need to choose the regions, as we choose the countries for promotion later on the next step. So here we have some short explanation about this service that we discussed previously, and the next already the possibility to choose the region. The only type of campaign where we can choose several regions or even work with worldwide promotion and have the installs from all over the world simultaneously. So first of all, it is needed to say that all the countries are filtered according to the cost per install, like high, medium, low cost per install, and it is compared with tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So if you work with India, Pakistan, we do understand that it is low CPI countries and actually the cost per install will be lower, and vice versa with the United States, Canada, and Australia. So here we choose the countries, we have filters according to the cost per install, according to the parts of the world, and according to the main spoken language in these countries. After this, we have already the possibility to set the budget. First of all, we need to set the daily budget. It may be from $5 to $100. And pay attention that, first of all, a daily budget is the maximum number of funds you are ready to spend daily for this promotion. But at the same time, daily budget influences the way the ads will be shown and how active users will see these ads on the network. So after this, we need to choose target CPI. Of course, it depends on the countries you work with. If you work with tier 3, it is okay to set like 5-10 cents per install. But if you work with tier 1, of course, it is recommended to set like from 30 cents per install up to $1. And after this, we need to set the number of days, and it is only one service that has the possibility to set unlimited number of days in one campaign. Like, the campaign will be active until you have the funds on your account balance. But in general, the minimum numbers to set is 5, and the maximum is 30. After this, we need to create the headlines for our ads. Of course, you can use the ones generated by our artificial intelligence, but if you have some particular features in your application, some peculiarities, of course, it is recommended to write the headlines by yourself, so to express all the advantages your application has. And after this, we have some sum up of our campaign, like the explanation of all the peculiarities of this promotion, as well as the summary with the application, countries, number of days, duration, and the cost of the campaign. So just summing up, it is needed to say that working both with CPI and keyword campaign is recommended, as in such a way Google Play algorithm will say that actually there is in-app activity, some good metrics, and the ranks of your application will increase even faster. And that's why when you work with personal manager on our platform, we usually ask if you use some additional sources of traffic, so to understand how to build this strategy for your promotion. So today we have discussed CPI campaigns, and do not forget that working with Android applications, it is extremely important to show their algorithm that actually the application has additional traffic, and in such a way keywords will increase in the ranks even better and more faster. So try to combine CPI campaigns and keywords promotion to get even better results on Google Play. Anyway, if you have any questions about keyword promotion, or you would like to share your feedback about our new dashboard, do not hesitate to contact our support team, your personal manager, and also subscribe to our channel, as we are preparing much more content about mobile marketing.